Lake County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to cover the ins and outs of the Lake County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Lake County Probate Court is located at 550 West Main Street in Tavares, Florida, of course in Lake County. As you can see from the map, it's centrally located, and from the building, it's a prominent building that looks like a courthouse municipal building. There's plenty of parking around the building. We strongly urge people when visiting a courthouse to leave their house early. Make your way to the courthouse, find a convenient parking space, go through security, and then take a deep breath. Probate-related issues are often emotionally charged and stress-induced, so give yourself plenty of time traveling to the courthouse. As with most courthouses, the Lake County Probate Court is a secured facility. You'll enter through a metal detector. Most people understand what they can and cannot bring through a metal detector, but let's cover some that you may not be expecting. Those body sprays and breath sprays in the form of aerosol are prohibited, as well as any outside food or alcohol. Flammable items like a match or a lighter are not allowed, as well as recording devices. In addition, often people have on their keychain little nail clippers or Swiss Army style knives. Make sure you remove them because it's awfully frustrating to make your way into the courthouse to get through to security only to learn that you forgot something in your pocket or your purse. The Lake County Probate Court, of course, handles probate-related matters such as deceased estates, trusts, guardianships, and mental health commitment-related issues. The Lake County Probate Court is fortunate to have an experienced probate judge serving on behalf of the community. The Lake County Probate Court maintains a really rich and valuable website that allows you to have access to some really important information from the comfort of your computer without the necessity of going down to the courthouse. You can visit the highlighted area here, lakecountyclerk.org, O-R-G, to access the homepage. And from there, I've highlighted various aspects of the homepage that may be relevant for information regarding court forms, frequently asked questions for guardianship and probate-related questions, as well as court records. Let's dig deeper into the website. From here, I'm showing you how to access the online court records. It takes you to this page. You get redirected by clicking the blue to another page upon which you click the magnifying glass case search button. From there, it takes you to the search parameters. Here, I searched under the name John Smith and checked probate, but you can expand or narrow the search parameters depending on the information you have. You may want to know the case number, the judge's name, the court, etc. Here, I type John Smith and click the search button, and it takes me to all the file names that have John Smith that are probate related. As you can see from the case number on the far left in blue, that's a hyperlink. By clicking there, it goes deeper into the file, and in this particular case, information regarding the file itself. This page are some frequently asked questions relating to probate-related issues. You can do so for guardianship and probate, just the basics. What is probate? What is a will? What are the fundamentals of this process that we call probate or guardianship? Here, forms are available so you can access the form, download them, review the form, make sure you have all the important information that will be necessary to fill out that form for filing with the probate court. One of the most commonly asked questions are the filing fees related to the various things that need to be done at the probate court. Here I've highlighted the expenses relating to opening an estate as well as the filing fee for a guardianship. Now understand that this is just the initial filing fee, and there will be other expenses throughout the procedure as well as legal expenses that may be incurred when you hire an attorney. Lake County and the state of Florida maintain extensive statistics in relation to the filings and dispositions of probate-related matters occurring within the state as well as within the county. Let's take a closer look. From fiscal year 2009 through fiscal year 2019, there's been a steady growth in the number of filings occurring statewide, as represented by that dark blue trend line. Also, you can see that the dispositions or conclusions of those same probate files have increased also during that same time frame. If you look at the far right, you'll see that in fiscal year 2019, there were over 133,000 filings probate-related statewide and 128,000 dispositions. It's quite large. Within that segment of probate-related issues, you can see that over 59,000 of them were probate, 940 of them trust, and a little less than 8,000 are guardianship-related matters. As you review that information in a pie graph, you'll see that probate represents a little less than 50%, commitment acts, that's mental health and substance abuse, about 44%, and guardianships a little less than 6%. This particular pie graph dispels a common myth. Most people think that trials are the way that civil and probate related matters are concluded because they're so used to watching these dramatic conclusions on television and in the movies, when in fact very few actually resolve themselves that way. This pie graph shows that 43.6% are disposed of before actually the court hearing occurs, 46.7% are disposed of by a judge and no trial, and a little less than 4% are disposed of by a non-jury bench or judge trial. This particular table specifically relates to Lake County, and as you can see, in fiscal year 2019, the last year that the information was published, 1,225 probate-related files, 9 trusts, 854 commitment acts, and 135 guardianship, totaling 2,223 probate-related issues filed in the court. The Lake County Probate Court is a busy courthouse, so we strongly urge you to hire a lawyer that can guide you through that complicated, crowded court system. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate-related issues. If you have questions about the Lake County Probate Court or any probate-related issue, visit us at theprobatepro.com or contact us at 1-833-PROBATE.